The new generation of lithium battery anode material smart factory overall solution, launched by Taogent Intelligence, is divided into several areas: pitch milling area, green coke crushing and shaping area, calcined coke crushing and shaping area, batch mixing area, crushing and classification after graphitization area, agglomeration and pitch coating area, VC mixing and batching after graphitization area, carbonization area, finished product batch mixing area, and finished product demagnetizing and packaging area. In the production process, the transport and handling of pitch raw materials is one of the key links. Forklift will transfer ton bags of pitch raw materials to the unpacking area for unpacking. Then the pitch raw material is gravity fed to the mill for fine grinding. After that, the milled pitch fine powder are transferred to the VC mixing area by vacuum conveying system. The processing of green coke material is also very important. Forklift will transfer ton bags of green coke material to the unpacking area for unpacking. Then the green coke material is gravity fed to the drying and crushing machine for crushing and drying, and then the dried green coke material will be conveyed to the mechanical mill for fine grinding through vacuum conveying system, and then the milled green coke material will be conveyed to the shaping machine for shaping through vacuum conveying system. The handling of calcined coke is similar to that of green coke. Forklift will transfer ton bags of calcined coke raw material to the unpacking area for unpacking, and the calcined coke is conveyed to the roller mill for fine grinding after passing through the coarse crusher. The powder of green coke and calcined coke is transported to VC mixing area through vacuum conveying system. The fine powder material from the mechanical mill roller, mill and shaping machine is transported by vacuum conveying system to the fine powder collection system for unified collection. In the dosing section, powder and pitch are dosed through the dosing and weighing system, and after the dosing is completed, the material are fed by gravity to the VC mixer for surface modification to obtain secondary particles. The secondary particles are transported to the reactor by vacuum conveying system for coating and agglomerating. After granulation, the material is crushed by tube crusher and then conveyed to shaping machine for shaping and classification by vacuum conveying system. The shaped material is then conveyed to the batch mixing area for batch mixing and packing through vacuum conveying system. After packing, the materials are transferred to the graphitization area for centralized management by manual forklift. In the carbonization section, the material after graphitization is transferred manually by forklift to the feeding area for feeding, and then fed to the lump breaker for depolymerizing before packing. Material is then manually transferred to the secondary mixing area for batching, weighing and VC mixing, and the mixed material is sent to the roller kiln for carbonization. The finished material is conveyed to the packing area for ton bag packing through vacuum conveying system. In the last step, the materials will be transported to the finished product handling mixing area. They are fed into 3 hoppers and 3-component batching. After the batching is completed, they are fed into the horizontal mixer batch mixing process. The mixed materials are transported to the screening and demagnetization area by vacuum conveying system. After the twice screening and demagnetization in the form of gravity feeding, they enter into the final product packaging machine for packaging. Finally, they are transferred to the vertical warehouse for centralized management of finished products. Adhering to the product concept of safety, cleanliness, and high efficiency, Taogent Intelligence can provide you with the green production of lithium battery anode materials and the overall solution for smart plant